Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
It's been a wet and dreary weekend in West Michigan, but we have been able to hang on to some relatively mild temperatures. The high this afternoon in Grand Rapids registering at 44 degrees. Here's a look at the amounts of rainfall that have occurred today. Between a half inch and an inch of precipitation for many locations, including 88/100ths of an inch. 86/100ths in Kalamazoo. Grand Rapids receiving 81/100ths of an inch of rainfall today. Howland also at 8/10ths of an inch and close to a half an inch, 48/100ths in Muskegon. Here's a look at Storm Track Live. You can see that we have this area of low pressure to our east near Flint and Detroit. And again, on the back side of that, we're continuing that conveyor belt of rain. And it looks like we'll have precipitation carry on into the early morning hours of Monday. It's likely that the rain will come to an end as we approach sunrise. Here's a look at Storm Track Live on the closer view. You can see some indications of heavier rainfall rates in the yellows and reds on your screen. This may also be an example of bright banding. That's when you have some melting snow that's happening aloft mixing with the raindrops, and that gives a return to the radar of some heavier rain. So again, we are continuing to evaluate that chance at having a few snowflakes mix in with the rain for tonight, especially as you travel north of I-96, where we'll have some colder temperatures take over into tomorrow. The rain should be dissipating again as we move into tomorrow morning. We actually have some sunshine to look forward to tomorrow. It's going to stay relatively mild with high temperatures in the mid-40s tomorrow afternoon. Doesn't last for too long, though. It looks like as we head into the start of 2025, we're going to chill things off in a major way. Here's the view outside in Grand Rapids right now. You can see that we have some rain continuing to come down. The temperature is at 38 degrees. We have a north-northwest wind, which is spilling in at 17 miles per hour. Here's a glance at temperatures where you are. Upper 30s and lower 40s being observed. It's already a little bit cooler than yesterday when high temperatures tipped close to 50 degrees in many spots. A 4-degree difference in Greenville and Ionia. It's currently 6 degrees cooler than 24 hours ago in Grand Rapids. And the wind is certainly noticeable out there. We have that sustained between about 10 and 20 miles per hour as that flows in from the north-northwest. A rainy and cool night. Temperatures holding steady in those middle to upper 30s advancing into tomorrow. Here's a look at what to expect as we approach the new year. We should expect to have a chance of some showers as we head into New Year's Eve. Some rain and snow. I don't think that we'll have any thunder snow, though. And as we get into New Year's Day, we should expect to have some lake effect snow as we chill things off further. Checking out future casts now, it looks like we will have some sunshine with us tomorrow afternoon with high temperatures in the mid-40s. As we get into Tuesday, though, it looks like precipitation will be quick to come back. We should expect to see a mix of rain and snow occur on Tuesday. And with the colder air continuing to come in on Wednesday, it's likely that we'll have a continuation of some light lake effect snow showers into Wednesday. Not a whole lot of accumulation out of that, likely between 1 and 3 inches, and some of that's going to mix with rain and slush out. Here's a look forward in the 8-day forecast. Then it shows that we will chill things off into the new year with high temperatures in the mid-20s and some more snow chances likely into next weekend. Adriana?